Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to send USDC from Bitmart to Trust Wallet in 2025. Whether you're looking to move your assets for better security or just to diversify your holdings, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring USDC like a pro in no time. USDC is a stablecoin that's super popular for its one-to-one peg to the US dollar, making it ideal for transactions without wild price swings. But before we jump in, make sure you have a Bitmart account with some USDC in it and a Trust Wallet set up on your device. Also, double-check that you're using the latest app versions to avoid any compatibility issues in 2025's evolving crypto landscape. First things first, open your Bitmart app or website and log in securely. Head over to the Wallets section and select your USDC balance. Look for the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. It's usually right there on the main dashboard. Now, switch to your Trust Wallet app. Go to the USDC wallet, tap on Receive, and copy the wallet address. This is crucial, so don't mix it up with any other cryptocurrency addresses. Back on Bitmart, paste the Trust Wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of USDC you want to send, but remember to leave a little buffer for network fees. Those can add up, especially on busy blockchain networks like Ethereum or whatever layer Bitmart uses in 2025. Double-check everything: the address, the amount, and the network type to ensure it's compatible. Hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to verify this with 2FA or email for security. Once submitted, sit tight. Transactions can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Trust Wallet for the incoming funds. If it doesn't show up, check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. And there you have it. That's how you seamlessly send USDC from Bitmart to Trust Wallet in 2025. Always prioritize security by using hardware wallets for long-term storage and staying updated on crypto regulations. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.